Hi, I'm Shane, the owner of the house. So the attic before the renovation was in essence just an empty shell. We had just a water tank in the middle of the room. We had a ventilation system just beside it. So again, when we moved in, it was the first thing I went up to see if we can add on to or any value to the house. So we connected with Josh on Facebook, and he basically came down the following day after speaking with us online to discuss what we looked for and look at what we needed in the house. Another developer came out to have a look at the job. He didn't really seem to have any time for us. Josh came out then the following day, and Josh basically had felt we had time for us. He listened to what we wanted, and he quickly put a plan in place. Within basically 3 days, we had our designs drafted up and the works commenced the following week. So it was just that he could basically hit the timescale that we were looking for. The main purpose of basically converting the attic was to basically give an additional room to it, but like it was outside our expectations of what we achieved. Like as we come up into this room, again, it feels like we've inked 2 rooms in here. I couldn't believe the space that we achieved within the whole room. I only expected literally half this size. The massive windows bringing all the full light in. Again, attention to detail has been immaculate, and the lads done a great job. Guys, I couldn't fault them at all. Everything basically went seamless, and the works were well sequenced and planned, and we had no issues whatsoever with how the works had went, and all our kind of ideas and tweaks were catered for, no questions asked. It feels like it's not had it one story, but probably 2 stories, and it's basically given me a bit of freedom for an extra room in the house, somewhere that I can escape now from the kids. So yeah, no, it's definitely not only added kind of basically a new dimension to the house, but another basically room in essence outside as well. So we have a little study outside, and that'll turn into kind of another bedroom / my games room. I would highly recommend Convert My Attic. They've been thorough throughout all their works, and again, the standards is 5 stars. There's nothing I can fault in here. Everything is to regulations, to building standards, and again, you can see the dimensions of the room. It brings another volume to the house.